Hi there, my name's Sean and I love drinking tea and I love Patreon and I love oil painting. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And I just want to sort of say hello and quickly talk about what I offer on my Patreon. So basically, I started a YouTube channel. I think it's important to give as much free value as possible. I think that everybody should have access to free value. That's why I create full tutorials along with tips and tricks. And I just love talking about my process of art really and connecting with people on YouTube. However, I wanted to go a little bit further. That's why I created a Patreon account for aspiring artists that want to sort of take their artwork a little bit further. So number one, I offer early ad-free access to my oil painting tutorials, which at the moment is a focus on landscapes and seascapes and skyscapes, cityscapes as well. There'll be more subjects coming in the future. Each tutorial comes with a royalty-free reference photo for you to use as well. Along with that, I'm offering high-resolution finished artworks done by myself, which you can download and print at home at your own leisure. So I'm also offering exclusive content that I don't share anywhere else online, whether that be art vlogs, other types of tutorials talking about artwork, giving other sort of tips about materials, whatever that might be. That's all going on Patreon too, excuse me. Also, I want to build up a community of aspiring artists, and I would love for you to connect on my Patreon, whether that be in the Patreon feed, where we can all sort of hang out together. And it's very light, it's very easy going as well. I just want to keep things really simple and friendly. I understand if you're a bit shy, then you can reach out to me directly about anything, whether that be personalized feedback on your paintings, whether that be anything art related. If you want any tips about business, about whatever that might be, or my opinion about something, reach out to me and I'm going to be there for you. Along with that, I'm going to be adding your name in my YouTube videos, my tutorials, just to say a massive thank you for you, because I really do appreciate you. And along with a 10% discount on my paintings if you want to purchase one of my paintings. Now, I don't claim to be a master in my field. However, I have passion. I've been drawing since I can remember. I've worked as an artist, I've worked as an illustrator, I'm an oil painter. My life is oil painting. I absolutely love what I do and I love teaching. I love showing my process and helping people. I also work as an art teacher in a private school here in Athens. I absolutely love it, and the internet has provided me with so much opportunity to connect with people. With my Patreon account, it just allows me to connect a little bit further. I will be continuing to add free tutorials on YouTube because, as I said, I believe that everyone should have access to free content anywhere in the world. Now, your support does mean the world to me. Thank you ever so much, and I really hope to see you in my Patreon. Click the join button now, and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.